Hi everyone, it's Saren from Trees and Kittens, and in today's video we're going to be making a cosplay accessory, some hair loops worn by Inori Yuzuriha in the anime series Guilty Crown. So to start off our project, we're using red flexi clay. For this project, it's important that you're using a polymer clay with some slight flexibility. So I am using FlexiClay and I rolled out a thin sheet of it, and from that sheet I am going to be cutting out a rectangle that will be the base of our project. Make sure you cut out 2 rectangles because we're going to be making a pair of these hair loops. Now I took out another sheet of red polymer clay, and with it I'm going to be cutting out long strips that are going to be placed on each rectangle, so 4 strips in total. Now I'm taking these strips and putting them on the rectangles. I'm using a clay that has some slight stickiness to it, so it sticks to itself, but if you're using another brand, you may need to put on some liquid polymer clay to make it stick to the surface. Next, I'm taking out another sheet of polymer clay, this time thinner than the previous two, and I'm going to be cutting out thinner strips with this clay, and I'm going to be cutting out 8 strips in total. Using those strips, I'm going to be putting some over the thicker strips I made previously, and also I'm going to be making an X mark in the middle of this rectangle using these thin strips. I'm now cutting off the excess from the strips so they just fit our rectangle base perfectly. And now I'm going to be taking a pointed tool and engraving some triangle marks onto the surface of our clay. Then I'm going to be curving this rectangle so that it forms a loop. Make sure to slightly press the edges together so that it stands upright while it's baking and doesn't unfurl. After that, just bake your hair loops in your polymer clay oven according to your polymer clay's instructions. And these are the hair loops after they've been baked. I'm just gonna slightly open the back of it by lightly pressing it open. So this is why it's important that your hair loops are made out of flexible clay, because this part at the back flexes a little so that you can slip on the ponytail of your wig or your hair inside. And after that, you can use some glaze gloss to make it shiny. This is the finished product including Inori's hair clips. Also, don't forget that these items are actually available in my shop to purchase if you'd like to purchase them instead of trying to make them yourself. So I hope that video helped you out, and I hope you try your hand making your own accessories. If you like this video or if you want to see more, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you and happy crafting!